Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Saner Direct. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to Saner Direct. So this is supposed to be, well, it calls it a stand for an LED copy board. So I think when I saw it, it's kind of like one of those artist easels. So if you don't have a drafting table, you could have your diamond painting on an angle. Okay, so it does have, I noticed there's little plastic feet here, I think so that you don't scratch your table. It's still a little slippery, so I don't know, you might need to add some sort of rubbery grip because I'd be afraid that you'd be on it and then it would slip. So seems like it's made of wood. I don't know. Okay, there's latches on both ends. So there's some latches here. Okay, these are the... I'm going to not do that one yet. So there's some latches here so that I think that's where you could make it stand. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 orientations. The highest orientation is like this, and you can put that down here. And in case you're wondering what size this is my A4 Lightpad. So it's about the same size as an A4 Lightpad. So this thing is about almost 14 inches across and almost a little bit more than 10 inches wide, or it's 35 by 27 centimeters. So I don't have my A3 or my A2 Lightpad with me since they're with my mom, but I'm pretty sure if you put an A3 Lightpad here, it should be fine enough to hold it. But yeah, the only thing I would probably recommend is put some sort of rubbery, grippy underneath here, because it is slippery. Yeah, it is slippery. So, and if you're leaning onto it, I'd be afraid to... Wait, you know what? I'm gonna pause for a little bit. Okay. In case you're hearing a whirring sound, that's my portable AC because it's warm today. So I went and got my roll of, this is my shelf liner. So I just wanted to see if you put this on your table with shelf liner, yeah, see, it's nice and grippy. So if you need some sort of grip, you could always put shelf liner on your table, and so that it won't slip. But yeah, it was just one of those things that was kind of concerning me because I don't know, if you're leaning onto it and it moves, it won't work. So yeah, could get some sort of shelf liner here. So, and it does fit the Lightpad here. And if you're needed a diamond painting here, so you could do this. Hold the tray. I might like this. So I have a drafting table, but I stopped using it at an angle because I didn't like how I had to hold my tray. But I think on a table, and you could put your elbow on the table, this might be better than having a drafting table because you're able to put your elbows on a surface, and that's what I didn't have with my drafting table, because my whole table would tilt, and there was just nowhere to plunk my elbows. So this might actually work out better than a drafting table. So if you're thinking you need a drafting table, I have one and I don't use it for diamond painting. So yes, there is that section here. Up. And it can latch together if you want to take this with you somewhere, and it has a kind of leathery handholdy thing. I wonder, can you store a diamond painting in here? Like, okay, so I'll just roll this a little bit and close that, and you can store your diamond painting in there. It would probably be better if it was slightly bigger, but that would be a good way of transporting a diamond painting. Like maybe if you get one of those 15 by 15 diamond paintings, you could like store it in here. Okay, so I do know this has these other latches here, and so there's these latches here, and it has some shelves here. And it comes with a screw, I'm guessing, to screw this in. There. I didn't even need a screwdriver. So it has, I just wanted to fix that since it was not straight. So I think these are meant for trays. You could put some trays in there. Here is just a regular white tray. Will it fit the MOSFA tray? Here's a MOSFA tray, yep. I don't know what other trays. I have this big tray, but the big tray won't fit. So, and then you could put your pen in here. Pen. So, I guess if you go like this, you can open the latches. And have your trays be over here and do this. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Or you could just have this for supplies, and when you're... See, yeah, it's too slippery. That's why I went and got my shelf liner here, so that you know, it doesn't move. So yeah, you could do this. So yeah, it seems like it's made of wood. It smells like wood. I would probably, because that's what I would do, I would probably get contact paper and put it on here for, I don't know, so that you don't see the wood. I don't know. So, and I don't know, you might get some splinters, so maybe the contact paper because of that. There. So this on the website is, on Amazon, is $31.99 as of today, which for me is Saturday, June 25. This will be posted on Tuesday, the 28th. So hopefully it's about the same price. So right now it's $31.99, and I see a coupon for extra 8% off. So I don't know if that's going to be that case, but when this gets posted, but that's on there right now. So yes, so that is the Lightpad stand I'm showing you. Well, let's put it on to one of the lower ones, and let's put a Lightpad since it's supposed to be a Lightpad stand. So yes, that is all I have for today. So thank you to Saner Direct for sending this item for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!